This will be my Halloween special for 2022. Here I have 5 of Connor Cruz's mini sirens. The one on the far left is his Model 7, and then going from left to right. So Model 7, Model D, Model L, Model A, and then Model 7T. These aren't all of his mini sirens that I have. I'll just give you a hint with that. I'm going to be making a special video of the other one I have of his. But this will also be a debut for this new piece of equipment I have. I am now in the possession of an AR timer. Now this will be used for outdoor warning siren purposes for next storm season and moving forward, but just figured I'd play around with this before I set this up with my new system at my residence here. So anyways, enough of me yakking. Let's go ahead and have some fun here. Alright, let's go ahead and do attack here. Thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed this.